Today I will be telling you about 3 effective ways to introducing your speech. The first thing I would do is greet the audience for coming to my seminar and let them know that I am very thankful and preview on my subject of whatever the topic I will be telling them about, and also give a brief statement on how I feel about the subject. Once I have let them know what the topic is going to be about, then I can go into a main idea to start emphasizing on what I'm trying to put across to them, and also let them know that I have credibility of where my resources have come from, and let them know that how it is important to them and can affect their home as well. Once I have done that to get their minds bottling, then I will ask them a question. The question I will ask them is, have they ever done this, or have they ever considered it, or have they ever known anyone who have considered whatever the topic I'm talking about? Once I get them asking themselves the question, then I can establish credibility. Once I establish credibility and let them know that I am speaking from experience, and let them know that I am very confident by how I present my presentation with my head high, then they would know that I am very trusting and they can rely on the information that I'm giving them. 2 tips to visual aids in a speech. I love to use humor in my speech to let the listeners know that everything does not have to be so serious. Everything can loosen up just a little bit by just a simple joke, just to loosen up the mood, and then address whatever the historical events is, or the recent events, or the personal event that I am talking about. And I would use my references that I grabbed to identify all the information that I'll be using in my speech to enhance my topic, for they will be able to use the information I'm telling them when they go home, and they'll be able to research it as well. 3 factors related to speech delivery is: did I use verbal transitioning to move from one point to another? Did I repeat keywords and ideas? Did I provide initial preview of my idea? Did I provide internal summarize? Did I include a final summary? And did I use nonverbal transitionings? Those are all of the things that is included for the speech delivery that you will have to make sure that you mark those off. And for the brainstorming, I would organize a speech, then I would research the speech, and then introduce the speech and generate a speech topic. First, I would organize the speech by brainstorming, getting all of the ideas on a piece of paper that I will be talking about. Then I would use the Google site to research the information that I'm trying to talk about. Then I would find out the audience that I am trying to reach by if they're going to be a young crowd or if it's going to be an older crowd. Then I'll be able to introduce